Dear students, in this session, let me share you some of the ideas and themes to make different collages. First, by using color. So, color is a design element that can be applied in a variety of different ways in your collage artwork. So, check out these ideas as well as check out the picture I've given in this uh, slide using only different colors. Okay, you could see the fish in which some colored papers have been used here. Okay, this is also another form of making collage. So they have used all the colors in this collage. So this is one way of making collage. It's a one theme. And coming to the next, use only black and white elements. So we can see the black and white elements especially in newspapers, right? So newspapers are a great resources for a collage piece that's only black and white. So you can also use magazines or any other paper. Try utilizing sometimes your old school photos or something which you have. Okay, so here an example for you using black and white color. Okay, coming to the next theme, use black and white with an accent color, which means pick only one color as an accent color. The background will be black and white. Okay, so the black and white background will really allow your color to pop. So here I really love using red as an accent color in my collage art pieces. So here is an example for you. See, here the background color is black and white and the main accent I used here is red color. So it's also a different theme you can use while making collage. And coming to the next theme, use only one color. Go for a monochromatic theme and choose only one color to be represented throughout the work, your artwork. An example for you, red here, this is red theme, this is yellow theme. So we use only a one monochromatic color. Okay, so this is also another theme. Coming to the next theme, surrealism. So surrealism means which changes the rules, altering perspective and scale and always making the impossible possible. So with this collage art, no, you can become a surrealist artist with just some magazines, scissors and glue. Okay, so how we can do this means changing the scale of an object. It's a popular surrealistic technique. So take an object which is normally small and change the size by adding elements around it to enlarge it. Okay, and also make things fly. You know how they say pigs can't fly, but well in collage art they can. So make objects or people or animals whatever do things that you would never imagine them doing. So here is an example for you. Because in this first picture you could see the moon is in your hands. So it's an impossible thing, but we can make it possible in the collage art. And here you see in this space they are sitting inside the cup. Okay, so this is also an impossible thing, but we can make it possible in the artwork. So this is surrealistic artist technique. You can use such technique also while creating the collage. And also we can join objects together, use just desktop position to combine two or more things that don't relate. Cut out a photo of a cat's head or some animal's head and place it on the body of a person or mermaid or something like that. Okay, so dislocate your objects, make incredibly bizarre scenes by dislocating an object and placing it environment you would not usually find it in. So here is an example for you. And also photo rearrangement also you can do it. Get creative with just one magazine clipping. Collage art doesn't have to include tons of different paper items. So you can create art from just one image. So finding a different way to display one image, manipulate the image by slicing it into multiple pieces or rearrange them into a more creative way. So that is also another photo rearrangement. So we often do. So this is an example for this thing. So here in this first picture you could see the body of a human and the head is some animal. So it possible only in the pictures, in this collage artwork only. Okay. And coming to the next theme, shapes. You can create a collage by focusing on the shapes of your clippings rather than the shape of the image you are cutting out. You can also get creative and cut out different shapes and layer other pieces of paper underneath, like the given example. So in this collage you could see different shapes. This is also another way of making collage. Then object replication. You can use newspapers, magazines, clippings and some construction paper or whatever else you'd like to use to replicate an object. Focus on the color of your clippings and use them to compile a much bigger image. So here an example for you. So these are the topics for your assignments. You can create collage based on the given topics. So these are the steps you can follow while creating collage. You can use any themes of your own choice, but it must be related to the topic given. Okay guys, thank you for active listening.